Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I decided to do my take on the soft glam look that's been going around all over the internet lately. So I did my creation of a soft glam look, very soft, very glam, but yet it's very soft but very glam, you know? So yeah, if you want to see how I created this look and how I achieved it, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with my eyebrows. And for my eyebrows, I've actually been using the Nyx Fill and Fluff. I really like this. It's a brow pencil, but in like a pomade formula. So it fills in your eyebrows super quickly and super fast. And I usually never fill in my eyebrows with a pencil just because I kind of have a heavy hand. So I've been using this and I've been actually really liking it. So I'm gonna use an actual spoolie to brush up my eyebrows. And then the way I like to fill in my eyebrows is super easy. I like to start at the bottom of my brow and like I just follow the natural shape of my eyebrow. So just go right under my eyebrow, kind of like making a line. And then once I get like to the front of the brow, I'll take that brush side and I'll start to like. And then next I move on to the top portion of my eyebrow. And then I do like to like draw on like an arch because I really don't have one, so I'll kind of draw one on. And then after I draw my lines on top and bottom, I'll go in and just fill in the rest. And then for here, I'll just lightly do some like small hair strokes with a really light hand. And then with the brush side, I'll go ahead and brush it. This is my brow. I know it looks a little weird just because I don't have the rest of my face on. And it looks like super harsh and drawn on. Once I carve out my eyebrow and have everything on, it'll look good. So now I'm going to go on to the other eye. So I already went to go ahead and primed my eyes. I'm using the P. Louise base, of course. And now for the eyeshadow. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild contour palette. I'm going to use obviously the contour side. So I'm going to pick that up on the Makeup Shack T84 brush. Just picking that up. And I'm going to start right here. I'm going to start placing the color in my crease and just above it. So, and then once I do get more into here, I'm not going to bring it down. I'm actually going to leave this inner part open. So I'm just going to keep going this way. So I'm just going to follow the natural shape of my bone, like the natural bone structure of my eyes and my nose. I'm just going to go ahead and follow that. So like that. I want to make it just a little bit darker, just a tad bit. I'm going to be picking up the Juvia's Worrior II palette, and this palette is super neutral. It has lots of really pretty warm tone colors. And then I'm actually gonna use a little bit of this color right here. I'm picking that up on a e.l.f. detailed crease brush, which is exactly what I want. Something really detailed in my crease, but not too harsh, not too excessive for the kind of look that I want to go for. So I'm gonna go right in my crease. So I'm just going in with that color, picking up a little bit at a time and really blending it out. So I'm gonna go in with this color Zazz from the Juvia's Worrior II palette, white color. And Makeup Shack T48 brush. It's a flat brush. I'm picking some of that color up. And I'm not going to cut my crease or anything, but I'm just going to place this on my eyelid. So start patting that on. And then kind of with the eyeshadow, do a cut crease. So I'm just gonna right there like that. I'm gonna go back into the Makeup Shack brush and just go right over it, just to blend everything together and make it look really blended out. Now for eyeliner, I'm gonna go in with this felt tip liner from Bissu. It's a Mexican brand. It's actually really, it works really nice. Works really well if you're trying to achieve a really thin eyeliner. So that's what I'm going for today. I just want a little I just want something really thin. So for mascara, I'm going to use the NYX On The Rise mascara. I don't really like this mascara just because of the wand. It has a nice shape to it. The only bad thing is that whenever I'm putting my mascara on, it hurts. Like, I'm brushing, but it's like hurting my eye, and it's just, I don't know. So I don't know, I probably won't repurchase this, but I mean, I just have to be more gentle, I guess. I'm gonna put some lashes on, finish up my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I want to go ahead and finish my other eye, just put some lashes on, and yeah, this is the eye look. So it's very soft, very effortless, but yeah, it looks like really like glam, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my face to prime my skin. I'm gonna use the NYX Honey Do Me Up primer. It's really hydrating, and then now that it's getting colder, my skin gets really dry. Like, I get flaky skin like all around this area, so I like to use products that hydrate my skin. Nothing too drying either, so I'm just gonna put this on my face. So what I like to do is I like to blend it until I feel the product has absorbed into my skin. So once it starts getting like tacky, like, well, this one doesn't really get tacky, but once you like feel like it's absorbed into your skin, it's ready to go. So since my skin does get really dry and kind of flaky during the winter and colder seasons, I like to use foundations that aren't gonna be matte on my skin. So I like to use this Nyx Born to Glow foundation. It's a naturally radiant foundation. It looks really nice on the skin, really radiant. It kind of reminds me of the Maybelline Urban Cover foundation, just that this doesn't have any SPF. So I'm gonna shake it up, and I'm in the color medium buff. So I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand with a sponge. This is the Makeup Shack Beauty Sponge. I'm gonna pick that up and blend it all over my skin. So now for highlight, I'm gonna use these, and I of course always use the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealers, and I use the colors medium sand and medium beige. So I'm gonna go in with medium sand today with just a tiny bit of medium beige. And now to set that under eye, I'm gonna use the Anastasia, of course, loose setting powder in the color Vanilla. I really like this setting powder. So now that I've set my under eyes, I'm going to set the rest of my face. So, you know, with the sponge and some powder, the usual, just really get in there and make sure it's all really blended. I'm going to pick up this Morphe M0 brush. I'm going to contour my nose now. And with that contour powder, I'm going to pick it up on that brush. Tap off the excess. Like, I'm really gonna go in a little at a time because the last thing I want is a really harsh nose contour, and that does not look pretty. So you guys know how I followed the natural contour of my eye. I'm gonna connect that to my nose contour. So starting right there, coming down. Yeah, so I'm just gonna connect everything. Really blending that out. Wow, it looks snatched. Just gonna pick up some setting powder and highlight like the bridge of my nose. Really lightly though, like nothing crazy. So I'm just gonna like bake it, I guess. Yeah, I'm just gonna break it and then go right here on like the sides of my nose. For the rest of my face, I'm gonna use this brush. This is a contouring brush. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of the contour, tap off the excess, and start contouring my face. So to contour my cheekbones, I think I've said this before, but I'll start. So what you want to do is you want to let me demonstrate. So you want to go above your ear and follow your way down. So, or if you just want to suck in your cheeks, like, you see, it's right there. Pull it just a little bit and start putting that contour. So see how it's like, rather than this side, it's just nice and defined. Don't forget your jawline. Alright, oh wow. Some intense contouring works. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my under eye, and for my under eye, I'm just gonna keep it really simple, really soft. I'm actually gonna go in with the detailed brush. I went in my crease and a little bit of this contour color, and I'm just gonna dust it under my eye. Nothing crazy, trying to keep it nice and soft and as natural as possible. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I just set my skin. I used the Fix Plus Coconut Mist from MAC. So this one smells really good, actually. So for highlight, I'm actually really excited to use this palette. Got this at TJ Maxx for $5. It's $20 on the website. I looked the other day on the BH Cosmetics website and it's $20. And I only got it for $5. So it's like a highlight. It is a highlighting palette. It has some really pretty colors. I probably would never wear these colors. Oh, you know what? Well, maybe. Who knows? I probably wouldn't wear these colors or this pink color on my like cheekbone, but maybe on the eyes would look really pretty, or as an inner corner highlight would look really, really pretty. Oh, I'm gonna top it off. This color. Oh, it is so pretty. On this BH Cosmetics brush, it comes in a little set, and I'm just gonna swirl it in there. So I'm just gonna, oh, look, oh, it's so pretty. Oh. Okay, so for blush, I'm actually gonna use this Bissu blush. This is a Mexican brand. Oh, these blushes are beyond pigmented, and they last all day, and they're so affordable, like super, and they're so pretty. And this is in the color toronja. So I'm gonna use the NYX lip liner, and this is in the color Nutmeg. So now for my lipstick, I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty liquid lipstick, and this is their stunna lip paint, and it's in the color Unbutton, but it's a matte lip paint. Oh my gosh, I love this color so much. So I'm gonna be going in with some lip gloss, and this is the MAC Dazzle Glass in the color Sugarrimmed. So I've actually never even used this when I have it. How sad, huh? Yeah, I used to always want a MAC Dazzle Glass lip gloss, and now that I have it, do I use it? No. Okay, so it's not sticky, it's thick. Like, it has a thick formula to it, but I like it. Okay, and this, you guys, is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, so let me know what you guys want to see next. Just comment down below any video ideas you'd like for me to do. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.